This is not just a van, this is a 6'6" luxury fortress on wheels that's about to shock the entire automotive world. The 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 666 just changed everything you thought you knew about vans forever. You're looking at a machine that refuses to be ordinary, a stretched, widened armored presence that dominates the showroom floor. Like a luxury yacht parked on land, massive grille, sculpted LED headlights, triple axle, stance, aggressive yet elegant body lines flowing from nose to tail, and inside, pure executive jet energy. This isn't a cargo van upgrade, this is a rolling penthouse. Plush captain chairs, ambient lighting, panoramic roof, whisper quiet cabin insulation, digital cockpit, massive infotainment displays, and materials that rival high-end luxury cars. And under that calm exterior, there's a performance secret GMC doesn't shout about, but you'll feel it the second you press the throttle. Are you ready to rethink what a luxury van can truly be? Stay with me, because by the end of this car review, you'll discover the hidden performance twist, the real fuel consumption numbers, and why this 6.6 could redefine future car technology for American luxury travel. On the road, it feels planted, confident, commanding, yet unbelievably smooth. The steering is surprisingly precise, the suspension absorbs imperfections like a cloud, acceleration is steady and strong, and despite its size, it moves with refined authority, not rushed, not clumsy, but controlled power. But here's what most people don't see. This isn't just about size, it's about dominance. I watched it roll into a private event last week, and every head turned. Sports cars stopped. Luxury SUVs looked small. Cameras came out. People whispered. Because when a 6x6 luxury van glides in silence with that presence, you feel something: power, prestige, control. Now imagine this in your driveway. Imagine road trips redefined, business travel transformed, family journeys elevated beyond first class. This isn't transportation, this is status, innovation, vision. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6.2-liter V8 engine producing an estimated 650 horsepower and 720 pound-feet or 720 pounds-percent, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission engineered for smooth yet aggressive delivery. The custom 6.6 drivetrain distributes torque intelligently across 3 axles, maximizing traction and stability. 0-60 miles per hour happens in around 5.5 seconds in a vehicle this size. Let that sink in. Adaptive air suspension adjusts ride height dynamically, offering highway comfort and off-road readiness. Reinforced ladder frame chassis ensures structural rigidity, while advanced braking systems with multi-piston calipers provide confident stopping power. Fuel consumption: expect around 14 to 16 mpg combined, impressive considering the weight and power. Advanced driver assist systems include lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, 360 cell construction. This isn't just big, it's engineered to dominate. And emotionally, it hits differently. It gives you freedom, authority, that you're driving something rare, something exclusive, something people will talk about long after you pass. But the real revolution lies in the technology and innovation. The Savana ULTRA 6.6 integrates next-gen automotive tech with AI-assisted driving analytics that adjust throttle response and suspension tuning based on your driving style. The fully digital cockpit syncs with cloud-based navigation and real-time vehicle diagnostics. A hybrid assist module improves low-speed efficiency and torque delivery, reducing urban fuel consumption while boosting instant response. And the 5G connected infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring your luxury car evolves with time. Rear passengers get executive-class reclining seats with massage functions, and individual climate zones, smart glass tint control, and immersive surround sound. GMC calls it a van. But in terms of car innovation, this competes with flagship electric SUVs and even high-end sports car interiors. This is future car technology wrapped in American muscle DNA. And here's the surprise. The base price is expected to start around $285,000, but fully customized builds can exceed $400,000, making it rarer than many supercars. And so now the question isn't whether it's practical, the question is whether you're ready for a van that outclasses sports cars, rivals luxury cars, and redefines the entire driving experience in 2026, because the Savana ULTRA